Hello dear students, how are you all? Welcome to online revision class of computer. This is Mansi Mukherjee ma'am, your computer teacher. I would like to request you please like, share and subscribe the channel and don't forget to post your comment. So let's begin our today's session. Class 8 student. Topic for today's revision 3 is working with table. As you all are aware, this chapter is also fully practical based. So our main focus is on the MS Access sheet, right? So let's go to the MS Access platform and we will recapitulate what are the things we can apply in a table. In revision 2, I have told you how to create the table. So let's go to MS Access platform. Look here, this is what MS Access interface, right, where I have already created one table. This is what, please see here, this is what field name, or we can call it as an attribute, right? These are the attributes. And what is this? This is data sheet view. This is what? Data sheet view, right? So we have the interface in data sheet view. Now very quick recapitulations of the things. By clicking on this add new field, double click on this, we can add new field. Okay, and if you want to change the data type of a particular field, we can select the attribute. What is attribute? Field name, and go to this where you from data sheet view you can select the data type, and from here you can select the type of data. It's number, so I'm not changing it. Fine. Contact, we can add any other data type. For address, which data type we will select? This way we can change the data type. Fine. Now if we want to add or delete a particular field, click on the field name, right click. Here we can do whatever we want, right? We can copy, paste, we can hide this field, hide this column. Okay, we can add, we can delete, right? And now I will tell you how to freeze the column. Suppose I want to freeze this column, right? First everyone carefully look at this: roll number, S name, F name, contact, date of birth, right? Now I would like to freeze the date of birth column, so click on freeze column. Now see the output, date of birth has went to extreme left, so this means freezing of column, right? We can unfreeze also. By first of all, for doing freezing we have to click on the particular field name. Now suppose I want to delete this field, address field, right? So click on this field and from the keyboard press on delete. This dialog box will appear. Do you want permission? Yes. Click on yes. This field will get deleted. Have you seen how you can delete a particular column in a MS Access? Fine. Now we will work in design view, right? How to change the view? Go to view. Till now we are working in data sheet view. Now I will show you the design view. This is the design view. I told you in design view you cannot enter the data. Only the thing you can specify the data type, right? The interface of the design view has been divided into two parts. You can see this one and second one is this. This is called field grid pane and this is called field property pane. Field grid pane, this one, the upper portion contains field name, data type and descriptions box, whereas field property pane contains the properties of the selected data. Here you can select or delete a particular data. Delete this row. You can delete by using this way. Fine. Have you seen? Once again, select. Once again, please see. Suppose I don't want the contact numbers. So I have selected the contact number field, and from here I will click on delete row. It will get deleted. It will not appear in our column, right? And how can we select the primary key? For selecting the primary key means that field which is having a unique value. Suppose I am selecting the primary key as date of birth. So this way you can make it, see a key will appear. So this field will have a unique value, right? But date of birth cannot have a unique value. Only roll number I think can have a unique value. So roll number is the good choice of primary key. Fine. Now double click on this. This dialog box will appear and you will come back to the which view? Data sheet view. As several times I have told you, you cannot enter the data in design view. For entering the data you have to go to data sheet view. Now I can hope things are much clear and you have recapitulated everything. So please go through this and practice this on your systems also, and let me know through comment box or online WebEx sessions if you have any kind of query. Thank you. Have a nice day.